Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's session on Directive Principles of State Policy, an important topic in Indian polity. Let's dive in.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Yes, please go ahead.
What exactly are directive principles of state policy?
Good question. Directive principles are guidelines mentioned in Part 4 of the Indian Constitution. They are not legally enforceable, but they are fundamental in the governance of the country. Their purpose is to ensure social, economic, and political justice for all citizens. Let's start with Articles 36 and 37. Article 36 defines the term state, same as in fundamental rights. Article 37 clearly says that although these principles aren't justiciable, they are essential for governance.
Sir, may I ask something?
Sure, go ahead.
If these principles are not enforceable in courts, what's their use?
Excellent point. Though not enforceable, they act as moral obligations for the government to frame laws and policies in line with the welfare of the people. They inspire the spirit of the Constitution. Take Article 38, for example. It asks the state to promote justice, social, economic, and political, and to minimize inequalities in income and status. Article 39 lays down very specific principles. It talks about equal rights to livelihood, equal pay for equal work, fair distribution of wealth, protection of children and workers, and freedom and dignity in child development.
Sir, may I ask a follow-up?
Of course.
Which directive principles are considered most important for exams?
Great question. Focus on Articles 39, 44, 45, 46, and 48A. These are frequently asked in NDA, UPSC, and other exams. Let's go over some more highlights quickly. Article 39A, free legal aid to ensure equal justice. Article 40, formation of village panchayats. Articles 41-43, right to work, education, maternity relief. Article 44, Uniform Civil Code. Article 45, free education up to 14 years. Article 46, welfare of SCs, STs, and weaker sections. Article 47, nutrition and public health. Article 48A, environmental protection. Article 49-51, heritage protection, judicial separation, and international peace.
Sir, may I ask the last question?
Yes, please.
How are directive principles different from fundamental rights?
Excellent wrap-up question. Fundamental rights are legally enforceable, and you can go to court if they're violated. Directive principles, however, are non-justiciable. You can't sue the government if they're not followed. But remember, both are essential for building an ideal society. That's all for today. Remember, directive principles may not be enforced by courts, but they reflect the vision of the Constitution makers, building a just, fair, and equal India. Keep revising these articles and stay curious. Jai Hind.